Hello students, welcome to the maths class. Hope whatever has been taught till now is clear to you. The kind of angles, transversal line, etc. Now let us see a question from your book. Exercise 5.2, question number 2. Let us solve this question. You will get an idea. Here is a question in which it is given that P and Q are parallel to each other and this line is a transversal. Clear? So only one angle is given to you. I have also previously told you if with the help of only one angle we can find out rest 7 angles. Now let us see how we can find out. 125 degrees is given, E and F are missing. As you know, 125 and E lies on a same straight line. Therefore, you can call it as a linear pair. So E plus 125 is equal to 180 degree. This reason is linear pair. Clear? So angle E will be equal to 180 minus 125, that is equal to 55 degree. Clear? Similarly, 125 and F are also linear pair. Okay? So 125 plus F is equal to 180 degree, again linear pair. F is equal to 180 minus 125, that is equal to 55 degree. Clear? So we have got two angles, that is E as well as F. Now see this angle. It is D. 125 and D. So D is equal to 125. Reason is you know that they are corresponding angles. Clear? Now D and B are same, vertically opposite. Clear? D and B are same because they are vertically opposite to each other. Now we have calculated F. F was 55 degree. So F and C will be same. So F is equal to C is equal to 55 degree. F and C, how they are related to each other? They are corresponding. Clear? Now if you have calculated C, can I connect E with A? They are also corresponding. So A is equal to E is equal to 55 degree corresponding. Clear? In this way we have calculated all the angles. Let me see. This is E, 55. This is F, again 55. This is D, 125. D and B are same, again 125. F and C are same, 55. E and C, 55. So in this way we have calculated all the angles, and I hope you must have got the idea how to solve such kind of questions. Right? Now let us come to one more question from your book. It is question number 4, exercise 5.2. This is X. Yes. Now it is given that L and M are parallel to each other. L and M are parallel to each other. And you know that vertically opposite angles, alternate angles, linear pair, alternate angles, corresponding angles and co-interior angles. But I think 110 is not connected to X directly. So we will have to do something. Let us name this angle as A. Right? So now we can say angle A is equal to 110 because they are vertically opposite to each other. Clear? Now A and X are related to each other. Directly 110 was not related to X, but A is connected to X. So now angle A plus angle X is equal to 180 degree. Why they are 180 degree? Because they are co-interior angles. Clear? So angle A was given as a 110 plus angle X is equal to 180 degree. Angle X is equal to 180 degree minus 110, that will give you 70 degree. See, this is clear? This is required to solve a question. Now let us see another kind of a question from your book. See this question. X and 2x, they are co-interior, right? X and 2x are co-interior because line L is parallel to line M. So x plus 2x should be equal to 180 degree because they are co-interior. In such a question, this is question number 4, second part, you can write x plus 2x is equal to 180 degree. Reason is co-interior angles. 3x is equal to 180, x is equal to 180, x is equal to 180 upon 3, that is equal to 60 degree. So one angle is 60, other angle is 2x means 120 degree. So angles are 60 degree and 120 degree. I hope it is clear.